Your power tool uses a variable speed switch. The switch turns the tool on and off and allows you to vary the speed. Over time, the switch can fail. It may no longer turn the tool on, might only work intermittently, or might only run at one speed. Replacing the switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the handle cover. Next, I'll remove the screw that secures the switch to the housing. Now I can begin installing the new switch. First, I'll remove the wires from the old. To do that, I insert a small screwdriver into the openings on the side of the switch and give it a twist. When I twist it, I'll be able to remove the wire. I'll keep the wires in order for easy reinstallation. The white wire from the motor uses a slightly different fastener. It's called a trapdoor connector. To remove it, I'll insert a small pin in the opening just next to the wire. That'll release the connector and allow me to remove the wire. And the last wire has a slide-on tab. Now I'll connect the wires to the new switch. The wires just push into the new switch. I'll align the switch with the housing and secure it with the screw. And now I'll reinstall the cover. And that's all it takes to install a new switch in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.